The Veterans Community Care Program is a program that's ran through your local municipalities. And it's for veterans who's had run-ins with the law. And instead of going through the regular litigation or legal process, they offer you this judge control program. It just happened that Chris Lee from North Las Vegas, Judge Chris Lee, he offered the program to me. I'm a retired Senior Master Sergeant Dexter Taylor Dorsett Jr. I am now a resident of North Las Vegas. And the program did exactly what it was meant to do. It unearthed some things in me. I had a drug and alcohol problem that I was on my back for years. And through this program and some of the community rehab centers, me specifically, I went to Vogue Recovery Center. I was able to tackle something that's been a burden on my life for most of my adult life. Now, if I didn't choose this, I could have had a record. I may have did some jail time. Who knows what happens after, litigation is finished and totally ran its process. So the program, it demands that you stay clean. You can't drink. You can't use any type of drugs. You can't get into any more trouble. You have to have a job. You have to check in once a month. Basically, you have a court date once a month that you have to show up. If you miss that court date, those charges are then brought back on you, and you're removed from the program, and you have to go through the system per se. And for me, it was a total success. I am a combat veteran who served in combat tours overseas. Mine specifically was in the Middle East and then Asia. And out of my 24 years, I would say about 15 to 16 of those were overseas. So living overseas as a military member, you kind of, I don't want to say you lose reality, but you pick up a different reality than what you would be as a civilian. And then all of a sudden you're released from the military, whether you're separated or retired. Me, I retired, and I retired. My last day of work was March 2020. And you know what that date is. It kind of lined up with COVID. And it was not a great transition for me. I went from the military to a quarantine. The program was right on time. I had no idea that was going to be a part of my life. And it helped me get back on track and restore me to be I guess, a productive member of the community. North Las Vegas is home. I ended up buying a house here, again, because of the quarantine. I had other plans. I was going to move to Costa Rica and retire there, but I ended up staying in North Las Vegas after I bought a home. So to all those veterans that, they find themselves with court cases, whether it's in North Las Vegas or the Las Vegas metropolitan area, this program is offered all through Las Vegas, and I imagine in all 50 states now. I would elect it because it's going to hold you accountable. It's going to make you, it's going to challenge yourself and challenge some of the norms that you've set in your life. But at the end result, you become a better person. And that's the most important thing. But also that court case that was hanging over your head, it gets wiped off your records. There's no trace of it. It's totally admonished. And that's a great thing, too. So I would recommend this program to any veteran.